share something that my grandfather shared with my father and my father shared with me. My grandfather was a cross-country truck driver. So he had seen a lot of roadside emergencies. So he kept a little can like this of shaving cream because when he got done either fixing his truck or had a emergency on his personal vehicle and needed to work on something, the shaving cream can help you wash your hands if you have no water with you. He would take a little bit, just like that, rub it together like you're actually washing your hands. A shop rag is what we have in our car. So, and then you just take the rag, wipe the shaving cream off your hands, and if you don't have a rag, my grandfather told my dad and I that every ditch will have running water. So if you're stuck along the road and you notice a ditch, it will have water. So you can use that to wash your hands. I don't know if it would be drinkable, but if you have a way to make it where you could drink it, that would be okay. Obviously, if you need help, call 911. Ever since my grandfather told my dad that, and my dad told me, I have bought a little thing of shaving cream like this to put in the trunk of my car. That way, if I need it, I have it. And I want to share. Hopefully this will help someone else along the way. Thanks for watching.